Hi there, we are Prospect Lab and we are excited to present our solution OMRelite. We are a team of 4 passionate third-year computer science and engineering undergraduate students from RUET.
Hi there, I am Surda Maisha Mazabin and I contribute as an AI/ML engineer and the front-end developer for our project.
Hi, I'm Mahmudul Hassan and I'm an AI/ML engineer for the team specializing in computer vision.
I am Tamjid Hassan Fahim. I am a backend developer and specialize in AI automation.
And I'm Sadman Sakib, a full-stack developer specializing in computer vision.
Let's talk about a problem every educator faces. The traditional OMR evaluation process is a nightmare. In thousands of institutions, teachers spend hours manually checking answer sheets, a slow, exhausting, and error-prone task. In Bangladesh, with an average of 35 students per teacher, this steals time needed for mentoring, lesson planning, and guiding students. The alternative? Dedicated OMR machines, but they are too costly for most small to mid-sized schools. Basic OMRs start at 1 lakh BDT, advanced one exceed 10 lakhs. They are bulky, need technical skills, and have ongoing maintenance cost. Teachers waste valuable time grading, while reports and feedback can take days. This inefficiency slows educational progress. OMReLite was born to fix that.
Our solution is OMReLite, a computer vision powered mobile app designed to completely transform how OMR sheets are evaluated using nothing but a smartphone camera. Our vision is simple: to make exam evaluation as easy as taking a photo. So, how does it work? Firstly, the teacher will generate a customized OMR, and after printing the OMR PDF, the students will give the exam. And once the exam is over, the teacher will scan each OMR sheet, and this is where the magic starts. Our evaluation process, where we take the raw image and resize it into a fixed dimension. Then we convert the image into grayscale. Then we transform it into a pure black and white. Then we eliminate all the noises. Then we detect the edges of all the objects. Then we calculate the coordinates of the 4 corners of every squared boxes. Then we try to locate the center points of each bubble inside each boxes using some geometric formulas. Then we evaluate the student and give him a score. After all the students are evaluated like this, the teacher will generate a customized CSV report which will be directly sent to his email. For the technologies, JavaScript is used in the front end and Python is used in the backend. React Native framework and Tailwind CSS are used to build the mobile app. Fast API is used as a backend framework for building APIs. PyPDF2 and ReportLab are used to manipulate PDFs. FPDF2 and Pillow are used to handle images and PDFs. OpenCV and NumPy are used for image processing along with some mathematics. And for report generation, SMTP protocol is used for email sending. Let's start by creating a fully customized OMR sheet with options like font styles, colors, and text sizes. Also define the exam structure by setting the number of questions, then hit generate. Instantly, a custom printable OMR sheet is created. Now from your exam history, select the exam. Let's set up the exam keys. Simply tap the correct bubble for each question set and hit save. Next, set the exam markings. Define the marks per question. It's time for evaluation. Using your phone's camera, simply scan each student's completed sheet. The app instantly grades the paper, showing correct, incorrect, and multi-mark answers along with the final score. Let's scan the second student. Graded. And the third student. Graded. It's that fast and simple. All results are saved in the filterable student history. Here you can see all students at a glance. Tap any student to see a detailed performance analysis. For a more broader view, the analysis tab gives you an overall performance summary of the entire exam for all students. Finally, generating customized reports is also easy. Choose your options, enter your email address and hit send. Immediately, a CSV file according to your specifications is delivered to your inbox.
OMReLite replaces bulky, costly OMR hardware with a smartphone-first, AI-powered workflow. By combining automated computer vision scanning, grading, analytics, and reporting all in one platform, we reduce cost and time massively. That 1000x cost advantage plus teacher-centric features like manual correction, report automation, classroom join course creates a defensible product that scales across low-resource markets. Our initial market is schools, coaching centers, and exam boards in Bangladesh, a space still stuck with manual OMR checking. Even a small share gives us thousands of monthly paying users because everyone struggles with speed and cost. And since we are a software SaaS product, we can go international from day one. Later, we will evolve into a hybrid model with a low-cost hardware device that auto-fits and scans OMR sheets without needing a phone. In the next 3 to 6 months, we will add premium features like custom OMR sheets and app customization for teachers and institutions. We will also launch our MVP with secure user accounts, an analytics dashboard, and a Google Classroom style class system. Meanwhile, we will enhance security, set up CI/CD, and prepare for our Play Store launch. Most importantly, we will develop a low-cost hardware device that automatically scans OMR sheets, eliminating manual photo uploads and providing an affordable alternative to traditional OMR machines.